Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the Speak Cells on Enter tool in Excel. The first thing I'd like you to do is launch your Excel application, which of course I have done right here. The next thing is, where exactly can you find Excel? Now you can find Excel in Microsoft Store. So launch your Microsoft Store and type in Excel and follow through with the on-screen instructions to download the application. After downloading the application, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Excel. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's task, and that is how to use the Speak Cells on Enter in Excel. I'm going to focus on this particular category of the sheet where I have the name and I have the weight. So even first off, I have to activate the Speak Cells in Center. Speak Cells on Enter. So from this top corner, just at the extreme top left, go ahead and click on this Customize Quick Access Toolbar, because Speak Cells on Enter has not been added to the toolbar, to the Quick Access Toolbar. So click on this, and once you click on this, head over to More Comments and click on More Comments. So it's going to take you here. Now in this category, I have Choose Comments From. You have the popular command option. So we're not going to use popular command because the Speak Cells on Enter is not popular. So click on the drop down menu, and over here you're going to select all commands or command not in the ribbon. So click on all commands, and once you click on all commands, you're going to see the options are going to be refreshed for you. So we're going to scroll all the way down and look for Speak Cells on Enter. All right, I'm just looking for, you're gonna have to stay with me. Stay with me. Heading on for S. Okay, so we're just really close. And now we're S. So Speak Cells, let's look for SP. And we're here. So Speak Cells on Enter. So click on Speak Cells on Enter and click on Add. So now Speak Cells on Enter has been added here. You can use these commands to move it to the location that you want it to be, or just stick it right down. So this is just fine. And now click on OK. So check the top corner, you're going to see that the Speak Cells on Enter has been activated. So over here, I'm going to type in the name. Let's say I want to type in Victor. So you see that if I click on Enter, it's not really going to be loud, or you're not going to hear the sound because I've not activated it. So I'm going to click on that cell again, and I'm going to click on this pixel.
Cells will now be spoken on Enter.
Of course, I'm using a microphone, so you may not be able to hear that it has been activated, but this has already been activated because I've clicked on it. So once you click on it and it's highlighted, it means it has been activated. So
Victor.
So once you type in Enter, this name is going to be mentioned. I cannot possibly remove my microphone from my recording because I need to talk to you. But then I'm going to enter another name, and that name is going to be, let's say, Victory. And I click on Enter.
Victory.
So once you click on Enter, it mentions the name. It speaks out the name for you. Victory, Victor. So just go ahead and type in the name, and it's going to speak it out for you. So that way it just helps you. Let's say, for example, you're trying to transfer data from your Excel to your notepad, and you don't want to just keep looking at the screen and looking at your notepad, looking at the screen and looking at your notepad. You can use this option to allow them, say it out for you. So just tap in and click on Enter. You're going to hear the sound. Just go ahead and fill it out in your notepad. Now I'm not possibly hearing, I cannot possibly hear if it's speaking or not because my microphone is plugged, but you might possibly be hearing it after on listening. So you may possibly be hearing the sound. But if you do not hear the sound from my end, just rest assured that once you do this without using the microphone on, you'll definitely hear the sound. So you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.